Hello guys, welcome back to SolidWorks exercise number 8 tutorial. In this SolidWorks exercise, we are going to make the 3D model using this 2D drawing. So let's start. First of all, select MMGS unit system from here. Select front plane, go to sketch, select sketch from here. And now, first of all, we are going to make this simple sketch and then we will extrude it to 40. So our smaller circle is of radius 28 and larger circle is of radius 36. Select circle from here and make the radius of 28 and then again make the radius of 36. So now we have to make this rectangular shape. So for that what we will do is we will make center line and we know the total distance from vertically and horizontally. So first of all make the center line like this and make the vertical dimension of 58 from this center point to this reference point 58. Now what we will do is we will make the reference points here because our total distance is 24, therefore we are giving the distance from this reference point to the center point of 12. So now we will simply make the line toward this reference point and make the horizontal depth of 10 and drag it toward smaller radius like this, because we know the distance from this reference point to this point is 10. Now you can simply mirror these entities about this center line. Select mirror, select these entities and select this center line to mirror about. Select OK. Now simply trim all the command like this. So now you can see that we have the closed geometry having the shape of this sketch. Now we will simply extrude this sketch to 40 mm. Go to exit sketch, select feature, select extrude. Make sure that you are selecting mid plane so that we can align the plane in the mid. So give the value of 40 mm. Select OK. So now our first part is ready. Now we are going to make this part. So we know that the total distance of this part is 42. So first of all we will select this face and we will make the center line. Now simply make the 3-point arc on this edge like this and give it the total distance of 42. Now to make it align in the center, right click on it, select midpoint and select this center line, make coincident. Now it is in the middle of this center line. Now what we will do is we will make the length of 23 plus 10 radius. So this is 23 and this is 10, so it is total of 33. So make the line vertical line and give the dimension of 33. Again make the line toward this edge. So now our geometry is ready. It is a closed contour. This gray area is showing the close contour area. Now exit sketch, go to feature tab and select extrude. So now as you can see that this one is total of 40 and this in the middle is of 20. So this one dimension and this one dimension is of 10 offset. So we will select offset from here and we will select 10 mm. So it is 10 mm toward this direction. We will change the direction from here. Change the direction from here of extrude and give it the depth of 20 mm and select OK. So now you can see our half part is ready. Now we will to make these rounds of radius 10, we will use the fillet command, full face fillet. Select fillet from here and select full round fillet. So we have three tabs. Select this side, select upper side, and now select this left side. You can see that our radius have been automatically generated. Select OK. To confirm the radius dimension, go to evaluate, select measure and select this. You can see that the radius is of 10 mm. So now we have to cut this part. As you can see the dimension, it is 10 mm in the height and 20 mm in the length. So we will select this face, go to sketch, make the center line like this and make the reference point and give it the dimension of 10 mm from this edge to this reference point. Select 10 mm and now select the line, select midpoint line. So the line is of total 20 mm, so we will give it the value of 10 and now it is of total 20. Now simply make the close control to cut this part. Go to feature, select extrude cut and extrude cut it to through all both. Select OK. So now you can see that our part is cutted and we have achieved this shape. Now we will make the holes using extrude cut command. So the dia of hole is 10 mm. Select this face, go to sketch again and drag your mouse toward this edge so you can make the reference point or the center of your circle. Select the center and give it the radius of 5 so that it can be the dia of 10. Go to exit sketch, again go to extrude cut and make it through all both. Select OK. So our this part is ready. Now we will make the holes in this area. Again make the reference point and give it the dimension. So the horizontal dimension is 10 and vertical dimension is of 10 also. So make the dimension from these 2 points of 10 mm and from this point to this edge of 10 mm. So the distance between the center of two circle is 20. So we are going to give the dimension of 20 mm to these points and make these 2 points vertical like this. So you can see that our sketch is fully defined. Now we will simply make the circles of dia 12 which is of radius 6. Select this circle, make the radius of 6 mm. Here too, go to exit sketch and now again go to extrude cut and make through all both. So you can cut it from this face toward this face. select OK. So now you can see our model is ready. To show the dimensions, show reference annotations, and show feature dimensions. So now you can analyze every dimension in your part. So this was simple tutorial on SolidWorks exercise number 8. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting and keep sharing our channel for more videos.